Logo: Aventon Annapolis. Handicapped accessible, equal housing opportunity. We fly above a brick plaza outside the front of a mid-rise apartment complex with a multi-tone brick and glass facade. On the glass above one of the entry doors is the number 2553. We flash to a poolside area with a white wooden lifeguard chair and rows of white lounges, as well as a handicap hoist for accessible pool entry. We proceed beneath a large wood pergola which shelters an outdoor lounge area with tables, couches, wicker armchairs, and a wet bar. Wandering further into the complex, we pass along sidewalks lined casually with tables and chairs. We enter a lobby with two-tone stone tile flooring. It features a pair of gray wicker-look onion dome-shaped seating pods with deep cushioning and multicolored pillows inside, which flank polished smooth-edged oval tables and a large open-glass walled fireplace in a marble nook. We advance through the high-ceilinged lobby into a refreshment area with a coffee machine and a series of secluded wood-lined booths that house tables lined with padded benches and chairs. Each booth looks out onto the grounds. We flash to a podcasting studio, which features a wooden table with a professional microphone and headphones set up at either end and a mixing board in the center. Next, a recreation space features a pool table and a pair of multiplayer horizontal screen arcade games. We fly onwards through a cavernous main lobby area with very high ceilings and a series of small, uncomplicated crystal chandeliers above comfortable gray upholstered couches. Paralleling the abstract art decorated walls are several long work tables or benches in white marble finishes, each lined with half a dozen wooden stools with low wraparound backrests. At one end of the room stands a long, slender wooden game table with raised edge bumpers. We proceed through black glass and metal door with brushed copper handles into a fitness area equipped with weight racks and benches, exercise balls, and rows of machines. We fly through the interior of an apartment, beginning in an open concept kitchen with gray wood grain floors, a gray kitchen island, stainless steel appliances, and extensive gray built-in cabinets lining white tiled walls. We advance through a living room with hardwood floors and gray painted walls into a bedroom with a queen-sized bed and white furniture, and advance into a bathroom with a white single sink vanity and a glassed-in shower enclosure. At the end of the bathroom is a walk-in closet with white clothes racks and white wire storage shelves. We turn about and cross back through the bedroom, passing a set of built-in storage shelves on the left-hand wall, and proceed into another bedroom with a queen-size bed and pale peach walls. It features a low natural wood grain storage bureau with rattan drawer fronts. Another bathroom features a white bathtub with a wooden bath tray and a shower curtain. Nearby is a small nook that holds a washer and dryer pair. We flash outside of the building to a grassy lawn, then enter a room with a tiled floor and frosted glass windows with paw prints. The walls feature tile mosaics of pets, beneath which stand stainless steel pet washing and drying stations. To one side is a grooming table with a long horizontal arm for securing leashes. We pass rapidly through a mailroom with walls lined with white mailboxes and a white counter in the center. Finally, we proceed through a series of airy and sunny lobbies with collaboration and relaxation areas and high ceilings before returning to the exterior entrance. Logo: Aventon Annapolis.